depend on or depend of. So if you chose depend on, you got it right. We want to match the verb depend with on to create this phrasal verb depend on. And this verb has a couple of different meanings. One common meaning is to be decided by something. So someone might ask you, are you going to go to the party on Friday? And you may not be sure. You might say, I don't know. It depends on how I feel after work on Friday. Yeah. Or your friend might say, hey, do you want to go out to dinner tonight? And you say, I'd love to, but it depends on when I finish work. Now, the other main definition for this word is to need someone or something for support. For example, my cats depend on me for food and snuggles. As always, I hope that this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comments.